about 5 years ago, I started losing my hair.
They came in almost bald.
I've had hair loss for over 10 years.
I've suffered from hair loss since I was like 18, 19 years old. My name is Kelton.
Hi, my name is Mike.
My name is Omar Rodriguez.
My name is Jose Candelario.
I've suffered from hair loss since I was like 18, 19 years old. I tried everything. I tried different methods. I finally decided to shave my head. I had bald spots all over my head.
And about 5 years ago, I started losing my hair and I was not feeling very comfortable with that.
I've had hair loss for over 10 years now and been thinking about SMP treatment for about 2.5 years. And before I even came out here, I'd been wearing hats for 10 plus years. Wouldn't go anywhere without a hat.
And I started doing some research to see where I can find the best.
And I was looking around for an SMP artist for the last few years.
So I decided to check out SMP.
I contacted Mr. Ivan and explained in detail what the process was and the possibilities.
I came in almost bald, and Ivan did a really good job.
All the reviews I saw was 5 stars, so definitely I came over here.
Definitely helped me out. It was great. I had a lot more confidence in the last few weeks. Go to work, go to the gym, no hats.
I'm very happy with the result. Actually, I feel the great level of self-confidence, and actually, I look about 10 years younger.
This is my 3rd session now and I'm extremely happy with the results. It's been a confidence booster through the roof, no doubt. And if you're thinking about getting the SMP, I highly recommend it.
So yeah, it's really thinking about trying to get something, or maybe trying to go to SMP. I would definitely highly recommend it.
Thank you, Ivan, and I'll tell you what, you're 5 stars. Thank you very much.
I'm very happy with the service. Ivan went above and beyond, and I would 100% recommend